AF after this ride. Alright, what's up guys? We're able to get out and get a little ride in. First little test ride with the exhaust. It sounds freaking good, man. I like it. We're going to meet up with Cobb. We're just going to ride around for a little bit. We're not going to do any fast-paced riding or anything. We're just going to kind of cruise. Just get in a first ride with the exhaust. It needs to be tuned. I don't want to run it too hard without getting the tune on it first. So just a little meet up with Cobb, a little cruise around. I'll catch up with you guys when we get back to Cobb's. Somebody call 911. Alright, we're with Cuthbert. We're gonna go get some gasoline. Oh my god, it's wet! We're gonna go get some gasoline and then we're gonna continue with the ride. We're just going to do a little cruise, do some back roads. We're not going to be riding fast or anything. I just wanted to get a ride in with the new pipes. Oh my god, traffic's so bad. We're going to try to head out away from traffic. See how well we can do, because Jesus. Me to just do flybys so we can hear the exhaust, but I'm all for having fun, but I also want to stay safe too. God dang, traffic is ridiculously bad. There are cops everywhere, so we're trying to hit like to a back road where hopefully we won't have as much traffic. No idea what he was saying. Between both of our bikes, you can't hear shit. I know he wants to ride faster, but time and place, buddy, time and place. Now this exhaust is plenty loud, but I will say I have heard the R1s with like full like Austin Racing SC Project systems, and those are a little bit louder. I think it sounds, this Leo Bench exhaust sounds really good. It's a good amount of loud. It's plenty loud. But it's not like overwhelming, you know? To some people, it's probably overwhelming. I think he liked it. I think I'm gonna be deaf after this ride. Something happened to Cobbert. You okay?
Oh fuck!
You alright?
I broke my toe.
What'd you do?
A rock hit it. Oh fuck.
Cop's okay. He says I kicked up a rock and it hit his foot, and he thought he broke his foot. He wasn't able to shift. But he's alright. We're gonna finish up our ride together now. I'm gonna head to my grandparents' house. We're having dinner, and then I'll hop back on and continue from there. Man, he does not listen. We were supposed to turn back at that light, and he's still going. I appreciate you guys watching the video. As always, you guys stay safe, ride safe. Till the next one.